and welcome to this episode. Yeah, and today we're going to work a little bit with the Land Rover. Hey! And I really need to clean this off. Yeah, this is more like it. But this looks very good. I found this in the stash I got when I bought it. I found new dust cap and everything, so I have installed that. I found new everything to restore this one. I will change these two, and I will check the brake booster as well, so hopefully that one is in good shape. Yeah, good night. Clean it out. These one are the same, so this one is going here, and well, yeah, probably this one, not this one, absolutely not this one. So, but I'm going to install this one without destroying it. Actually, this one only fits one way because of this groove. So yeah, I noticed there are like a shim in here. I got new shims with the kit. It's not those, it's this one. I'm going to put this one in. It's not a shim, it's like a spring pushing the this one. So that's probably going to be good to change that one too. Look here, it's, I mean, pretty tight. Tight squeezed. Yeah, the camera is still rolling. The most boring film in the world. You don't see what I'm doing. I'm pushing this over here. Yeah, it's almost there. Just need to, yeah. So both of these are facing the right way. Of course, the same way, I mean the same way. So, fantastico, magnifico. So, and this is facing like that. So one thing ready to roll. So yeah, believe it or not, I got the secondary piston out from the master brake cylinder. I found my little honing tool, so I'm going to fix the inside of the brake cylinder. There should be an O-ring in this groove holding these together, but as you see, modern rubber is crap. So the O-ring is no more. I'm going to lubricate a little bit. So I think that's enough. Wow. Yeah, I wish you could see this. It looks brand new. So I'm going to take a piece of someone's underwear and clean up the mess I just did. So I'm using the same tool, but I'm going to wrap some cloth around this here. And I'm going to use WD-40, not sponsored, but hey. clean enough. And so here is the secondary one. I beat the crap out of this shit to get it out. So I'm just glad it's out, so I can change the... What do you call it? Cup seal. Thanks. Cup seal. I got new ones, which are the same. Yes. So this is going like that. This one is going like this, pushing on this one. Yeah. This spring in. This will get a bit of grease. And I'm very clean. My fingers are clean. And this is getting grease too. Not as good as grease 1, but hey. So, one spring is already there. Swoop. This one is going in like this. This spring is going in like this. And this little bastardo is going in as well. More grease. Yeah, easy. So far it was quite easy. But now, no, I don't want to. Like that. And now. Yeah, cool. I have a clip that's going inside here when this one is compressed. So I'll try to figure something out which will involve the vice grips. Come on. Yeah, like that. Now the master, well, now this brake cylinder is ready. Just a little bit dirty. So, yeah, I'm going to start with this one. I have disassembled and checked. Looks good. Rubber is soft. Same here. Looks very good. Rubber is soft. So I see no problem in using this one, the brake poster. So I will make this one complete. Here's this. Sorry, that way. Yeah. I have cleaned this one inside, not outside. So I will just assemble this. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah, you can. So I will put this on something so it don't flop around. Yeah, even better. I do want to have some grease on that one. I don't know if you should. Why not? Can it hurt? No. Well, this is how I do it. I have no idea if you should. I can't see any harm in doing it, so... Cut this. Yeah, can't hurt, can it? So, Easy. You can turn this, so never mind where you put this. Like a glove. I'm actually putting grease on everything. The grease man. Have you seen Ocean's 11? So I'm guessing if you see those holes, this should be in here, so those two should be facing like that, and I want the vacuum to be close to the carburetor or the intake, and this, I have no idea what this does, so I don't want it facing like this. So I'm going to put it together like that, yeah. Like that. It's just a ring holding them together, so just release this one and turn it. You can adjust it however you want, so cool. So job done with this one, and almost done with this one. Yeah, bleed it next time, sorry. So that's cool. Just make this fit in the Land Rover, which will be no problem. I have plenty of space on that side of the car. So I'm going to show you some things I found. When I bought the chassis, I got plenty of boxes, many boxes of parts, which I had no idea where they were going. I didn't know what it was. I haven't done an inventory of that at all. But recently I've been in the other garage and checked it out, and I found, yeah, as you see here, I found brake calipers with new stuff in it. So this is never, I put these in, they were new in a box, so were these. So this looks restored, so I will just check them if they work. If they do, yeah, cool. I have a free set of brakes. So I found these, and I found brake hoses. I found the brake lines. The rear brakes, as you see, are not restored. This looks like this. So these are good cores to restore, but I don't know if I'm going to use these ones. I need a handbrake. Those don't have anything like that, because the handbrake is on the back of the gearbox in the Rover Classic. So I'm going to measure the area of these brake pistons, the caliper pistons, and see if I can find another set of rear calipers that have similar size and a handbrake. So if I change size of this one, I will change the pressure in which these are pushing on the brake pads. So no good. I need to find the same or similar, which I guess many cars have. Brake pedal. It's cool to have the original brake pedal with a switch and all. So I'm going to fit this inside the car. I don't want to shorten it. I want the right length. If I shorten it, I will have to press harder on the brakes to make the same. Yeah, to brake the same. This don't really have a place here, so I'm going to, for me to fit the car better, just gonna cut the whole piece out here, and I'm going to, as you see, I have plenty of space here from the wheel to this, and I have plenty of space up here, so I will make this one bigger so I can fit better. So I will move it out a bit and angle it and then go up like that. So, and I'm going to move the steering wheel like just a little bit inside the car. You see, when I close here, my hand is almost touching the window. And I have plenty of space. I mean, we're just going to have 2 comfortable chairs, not a sofa. So I think we've decided to be just two seats in here, just to fit this one a bit better. So as you see, I can move the steering wheel over a bit. I can move the gas pedal a little bit, and I have plenty of space for the brake and plenty of space for my resting foot. So I haven't got the gearbox yet. It's still away to the shop that's restoring it for me. I've heard it's ready, so I'm probably going to pick it up tomorrow, depending on if this film going out today, tonight, or tomorrow. Well, that's it for this episode. My camera card got full. So no more film for today. To sum it up, I got the master cylinder and the brake booster done today. I will just bleed the master. That's good. I have been a bit busy over Christmas and New Year here, so I haven't done much. I've just went through the things, inventory I got for the Range Rover, and I found a lot of good parts that I can use. And I'm looking for seats, comfortable seats that fits the car and has a seat belt built into them. I'm not going to have anything to attach the seat belt in this one, so I need seats with the seat belts built into them. Hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, feel free to give it 2 thumbs down. See you in the next one.